Setting up your myFirst frame is super easy. All you'll need is your phone and a steady Wi-Fi connection. In just a couple of minutes, you'll be ready to enjoy all your favorite memories in a whole new way. Before you do anything, make sure you have the myFirst Circle app downloaded on your phone and have made a free account. In the box, you will find the frame, a flexible stand, stickers, an instructional manual, and power adapters. Now you can screw in the included flexible stand and plug your frame into a power source. It will turn on automatically. You'll see the myFirst logo pop up, followed by the setup screen. Choose your preferred language, like English, and tap Continue. Next, connect to Wi-Fi by selecting your network, entering your password, and hitting Continue. Now, set the date and time by toggling Set Automatically to Off, selecting your time zone, and pressing Continue. Give your frame a name, like Family Frame, and choose where it'll be placed, such as the living room or bedroom. Then tap Continue. To connect your frame to the myFirst Circle app, open the app, go to Settings, tap Plus Device, and scan the QR code on your frame. For the first-time use, you must update to the latest software for the best experience. Please swipe down from the top and press on Settings, go to About Device, tap Software Update, and install. This might take a few minutes, but it keeps everything running smoothly. Once the frame boots up again, you will have to set the language, date and time, and frame naming again. Any photos you have either on myFirst Circle or in the internal storage of the frame will now be displayed. However, if you want media to instantly be displayed from the Circle app, go to the Settings menu, press Manage Media folder, select Circle Social folder, tap the three dots, and start your slideshow. This will make it so any photo or video posted from a Circle device will appear instantly and magically, without needing to interact with the frame at all. Here is an example of how effortless it is for a photo posted from the myFirst Camera 50 to the Circle app to appear on the frame. Here your child can write a caption and decide which group will be able to view this post, whether it's everyone in their approved contacts, friends, or if it's strictly for family. Then, depending on that setting, this post will immediately be displayed on everyone's frame who matches that description. Parents can always change who can view their child's posts. And that's it. Your myFirst frame is ready to bring your family's memories to life.